So today I'm going to share with you folding tips. My clients always ask me how to fold things and make them fit properly to maximize the space in the drawers and closets. So I'm going to start with a pair of men's boxers. So I like to fold in half and then in half again, and then fold up 1, 2, and even a third time. This creates a file fold. When you file fold, everything is standing up and not stacked. When it's standing up, you can see exactly what you have, and it really maximizes the space in your drawer. One thing that I like to do with men's underwear is to put it in these great boxes from IKEA. They're called Scub. They come in a set of 6. They come in different colors, and what's great about them is when you're not using them, you just unzip. They lay flat. When you need them, you just zipper up, and they are these cute little boxes that you can mix and match for the sizes that you need in your drawer. The next item is a women's racerback bra. So fold in half. I like to fold the straps in on each other and then over, and then one more time. Again, file folding. It makes a nice, neat little package. The next item is a men's Henley. I'm going to put it flat, fold over once, fold the arm in. On the other side, same thing, fold the arm in, make it even so it looks nice. Fold up from the bottom once, up again, and then one more time, again for your file fold, so that you can see what shirt it is. They're standing up like this in the drawer. The next thing is a pair of jeans. So start with the bum flat down, fold over once. This piece right here, fold in so it's even with the leg. Fold up once from the leg, and then one more time. You can file fold your jeans one more time. It does make them thicker, but otherwise you can just lay them flat. Please go to Lisa the Organizer and check out my blog for other tips and tricks. Have a great day today.